Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to renew your push notification certificates. Last week, we went over how to create them for the first time. This time, we're going to go over what happens when every year you need to go in and renew that same certificate. It's important to renew the certificate because if you let it expire, you'll have to re-enroll all of your devices. A lot of times, at the very least, that means you have to get hands-on every single device in your fleet. And a lot of times you will have to deal with devices that are automated enrolled, making this even harder. So it's really, really important that you renew it before it expires every single year. So we're going to hop over to Addigy first. And when we're in here, we're going to go to Account, MDM Settings, and we're going to go through and renew the one we created last week, which is expires June 10th of 2025. For the sake of today, let's pretend like that's closer. What we're going to do here is we're going to click on the three-dot menu under Actions and go to Renew. We're going to download the Addigy CSR.plist. Then we're going to click on this button to go to Apple's push notification site. If for some reason that link doesn't work, you can also go to identity.apple.com/pushcert. We're going to open that up. And once you're logged in, we're going to go in here and we're going to find that same push certificate that we created. There's a couple of different ways to do this. The first thing I typically do, especially if I have multiple ones in here, is I go and look for the date. So I have the one for July 10th. That's the expiration date that matches the expiration date in Addigy, July 10th. The next thing I do is I look at my notes. This is where putting in notes when you first create it really comes in handy. You can see what server I had it on, the date of the install, and who installed it. That is often very helpful. The last thing I like to do is come in here and get this UID and make sure it matches. This is the UID that's in Addigy. So we can see here that yes, that is the same. It ends in 44A7. It ends in 44A7. So once we're sure we're dealing with the right certificate, we can go ahead and click the Renew button. Then what we can do is put in another note. And here we're going to go grab the file we just got from Addigy. We're going to click Upload. And once you get this confirmation, you can go ahead and click Download. And then we can go back over to Addigy. We can click Select PEM from Apple. Select that we just downloaded. We won't have to update any of this. Click Save, and you're done. That now shows the new expiration date as well as the last time it was updated. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions about the renewal process, about Addigy in general, or about MDM in general, feel free to reach out to me. We'd love to help you and your business come up with a solution for those. I can be reached at Marshall_CIT on the Mac Admin Slack channel, Marshall@cranstoninc.com via email, or at our website, cranstonit.com. Thanks so much for watching.